In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Aster to MetaMask from AsterDEX. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Aster's official DEX website and then connect your MetaMask wallet. If you're new, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official AsterDEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now in here on the AsterDEX, you first have to connect your MetaMask wallet. So click Connect Wallet. And then here, just find the MetaMask. So here it is, there we go. And then you will have to just confirm the connection by clicking Connect. And then you will have to send the key request. And then over here, you're basically going to have to confirm that as well. And there we go. Your MetaMask is now connected to AsterDEX. Here, you then have to switch to the BNB chain like this. There we go. And then you want to click on your wallet address up top right. Click on Withdraw. And here, you want to first select, of course, the account you want to withdraw from. So either a spot account or perpetual account, okay? And after you do this, select BNB chain and then the amount of Aster you want to withdraw. So just select Aster here on the list, select the amount, click on the withdraw button, confirm it inside your MetaMask wallet. And after this, as you can see, it says it should arrive fairly quickly within half a minute. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.